Welcome to day 6 of learning English. Today we are going to learn a new question word, when. When is used to ask about time. Time means when something happens. So, when means time. Let's look at our first example. When do you go to school? I go to school in the morning. Example 2. When is your birthday? My birthday is in July. Example 3. When do you sleep? I sleep at night. Now it's your turn. When do you eat breakfast? Comment your answer below. Here's another question. When do you play? Comment your answer below. Let's do a mini quiz. When those stars appear? Day or night? That's right, night. When do we eat lunch? Morning or afternoon? Great job, afternoon. Very good everyone. Today we learned when. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe.